What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be giving an update on Kadena as it has recently exploded. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
So as usual, I like to give a little recap from my previous video. So Kadena was trading at $1.09, and I called out the Class A bullish divergence, and I said I wouldn't be surprised at all if price action came down and got a bounce off of the 21-day moving average. Fast forward to the current Kadena chart, and price action actually came down and touched just beneath the 21-day moving average, but then got a massive spike up, and we pumped all the way up to $1.38. So had you guys taken this trade, you could have made up to 26% gains in about a week, and those are actually pretty incredible gains. And if you enjoy making gains in the crypto market, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. But I'll go deeper into the charts at the end of the video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. So Kadena is currently trading at a price point of $1.31. Their market cap is $349 million, which ranks 183rd among all cryptocurrencies. And their circulating supply is $266 million out of a max supply of $1 billion, which is about 26.6% in circulation. And I like to clarify in all of my Kadena videos that this supply will get released over the next 100 years. So the dilution for this project won't be near as bad as you might think. But if you guys are looking to trade Kadena, I recommend using Binance or KuCoin. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. But now we'll go ahead and hop straight into the Kadena X account, which has 308,000 followers. And in my last video, I was showing you guys this post from February 16th about the Kadena SpireKey. And overall, this was a huge announcement. And they actually say right here that Kadena SpireKey is launching on March 1st, which happens to be the day that I am recording this video, although you guys won't see it until tomorrow, March 2nd. But then they posted 20 hours ago, Beyond the Block episode 3 is live. Join the conversation now as Ryan Jones from MetaMask and Ryan Levy, Kadena's head of partnerships, dive into the future of Web3 wallets. And a good portion of you guys probably use MetaMask, so it's a good thing to see that Kadena is conversing with them. And then they posted February 28th, another Web3 solution to a Web2 limitation. Kadena's partnership with Open Value is changing the way employers can verify professional certifications through on-chain certification management. So you definitely can't complain when you see a new Kadena partnership. And then the last post I want to show you is what they posted February 26th. While Solidity made smart contract programming popular, Pact makes smart contracts much safer and accessible with human-readable smart contracts, low to no gas fees, and unparalleled security. And in this little graphic, they're comparing Pact to Solidity, and Solidity is what Ethereum uses. So you can see all of the benefits that Pact actually has. But now we'll go ahead and hop into some macro news that could affect Kadena's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to Kadena. So this is Watcher Guru's X account, and they just posted 1 hour ago that Blackrock's spot Bitcoin ETF now holds over $10 billion worth of assets. It's the fastest an ETF has ever reached such a milestone. And this is very important. I talk about it in almost all of my videos. You have to understand, for the most part, the older generations have never been able to get into cryptocurrency, mainly because they don't understand self-custody. However, due to the ETFs being implemented, they no longer have to worry about self-custody because people will manage their assets for them. So it doesn't surprise me at all that the ETFs are growing at a rapid pace. And then they also posted 1 hour ago that the Nigerian government demands $10 billion from Binance, citing the exchange profited from its illegal transactions. And as I showed in some of my other videos, the United States also got a pretty decent sized bag from Binance. So I'll be interested to see if this goes anywhere. Now, this post is very interesting, 16 hours ago. So Tim Buckley to step down as CEO of $7.2 trillion asset manager Vanguard. And it was only last month that Vanguard banned all Bitcoin ETFs from their platform. And that was a very risky move when all of the other major asset managers started offering Bitcoin ETFs. But this is also important because under new management, they might start offering Bitcoin ETFs. And Vanguard is one of the largest asset managers out there. If I'm not mistaken, I believe they're number 2 right behind BlackRock. And then the final post I want to show you is what they posted February 29th. So Bitcoin surpasses the Russian ruble to become the 14th largest currency in the world. And this is huge. We just keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And I'm willing to bet this is not the last currency that we pass. But anyways, while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here pretty much every day, and I'm constantly calling out opportunities that I'm seeing in the market and the gains that we are making. So I definitely recommend giving me a follow. I think you guys might get some useful information. But then if you guys wanted to take it a step further, I have an opportunity for you. So I have a private Discord through Patreon. And at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers. I have a general Discord / trader tier, an exclusive tier, and a VIP tier. But there are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, this is going to give you guys closer access to me, and you guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And just understand, a lot of these cryptos are microcap gems, less than 10 million in market cap. They're the kind of projects that could absolutely explode this bull run. Just to show you guys some of the gains we've been making, I posted a buy alert for GLQ and we're up 265% in 3 weeks. I posted an MND buy alert and we made 60% in 7 hours. AGI 567% in 1 month. And Mine Token 602% in 11 days. Just to put this in perspective, if you invested $10,000, in 11 days your $10,000 would have been over $70,000. And those are absolutely incredible gains. And you cannot make those kind of gains outside of crypto and outside of microcap gems. But the gains just go on and on. So if this sounds like something you guys might be interested in, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage and it's also in the description of the video. I would love to have you in here. But now for the final part of this video, we'll get into some technical analysis. So this is Kadena on the daily time frame. And as I said, had you guys bought Kadena when I was talking about it in my last video, you could have made up to 26% gains in about a week. But anyways, what am I seeing right now? So the first thing is that if you look at price action, we are in a potential double top, whereas the RSI swings from a lower high to a higher high. That is Class C bearish divergence, which typically signals we might drop in the short term. So based on that alone, I wouldn't be surprised if price action comes down and touches the 21-day moving average yet again. Now, is that guaranteed to happen? No, it's not, but the RSI and stochastics are both starting to get a little bit overbought. But I do also want to be crystal clear. I think in the short term, Kadena and a lot of other altcoins are just going to follow Bitcoin. So lastly, I do want to take a look at Bitcoin, as again, it's correlated to most altcoins. So this is Bitcoin on the daily time frame. And as most of you guys know, I have absolutely nailed Bitcoin 2 times in a row. Both bull flags broke out perfectly, and both of them went slightly above the measured move. But then in my most recent video, the one on Kaspa, I pointed out that Bitcoin's 2 most recent candles were tweezer tops. That shows that 64,000 is a very strong resistance level. So I said I wouldn't be surprised at all if we start to flag out. And ideally, as this bull flag would start to fill out, the RSI and stochastics would start to reset. And then as the 21-day moving average creeps up, price action could come down and get a bounce off of it as a support level. But to be honest with you, a pullback looks very likely right now. The RSI and stochastics are extremely overbought. And then if you go to the weekly time frame, it is the exact same scenario. And similar to Kadena, there is a slight Class C bearish divergence. But also, just understand, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. Always remember that crypto is still an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Kadena will go this bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.